Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. Today I'm making a mosaic vase. This is my version of a mosaic. This is my first attempt to try something like this, and if you want to see how everything turns out, then I hope you keep watching. Okay, so for the mosaic vase, I'm using this cardboard. I use this same cardboard to make the peace sign. It's a home decor DIY, and I'll link it below in case you want to look at that one. So I'm using some more of those pieces to make this mosaic vase, and I'm just gonna draw out the shape of the vase that I want. I need 4 pieces of it, and then I'm going to cut that out and stencil it out on the other pieces, and then I'm going to have 4 identical pieces. Now I'm going to use the tape to put all the pieces together, and then I'm going to use hot glue also. So I am going to put a little bit more glue in the inside at the seams to just strengthen that connection. So I'm going to take one of the other cardboards, and I'm going to glue this to the bottom so it can have a bottom. So for the next step in the process, I have these from the Dollar Tree. These vases, and then this cup here. And these are going to be my mosaic pieces. I'm going to put them all in this paper bag and then another bag, and I'm going to just smash them with a hammer to get the pieces that I need. Sounds like everything is broken up good, so I'm going to see what it looks like. Some of it needs a little bit more. I'm just going to hot glue pieces of glass all around this. This is how it is. I'm just gonna go and with a little bit of water, I'm gonna keep running my fingers under the water and just smooth it out, and then I'll show you the patting with the paper towel and how it looks after. All right, here's how it looks right after being smoothed. And I'm gonna use a paper towel and just, like I said, I'm just gonna pat it. And I did a little bit of too much rubbing. The pink one, for whatever reason, the paint doesn't stay on. So if you scratch it too much, it will come off. And this is the caulk I'm using. This is from Dollar Tree. I personally am not exactly feeling this project, but it must go on. I wanted to attempt this. I had this idea and I'm like, well, let's just see what it looks like. But this isn't really my style necessarily, but I can appreciate it because I love art. I love weird things. So just gonna continue with this. Here is the final result of the vase. This is probably my favorite side of it. And here is the other side. I'm just gonna go around. I have to say I do not care for this, but I have to show flop projects also. I don't mind sharing things that didn't come out to be the greatest. And one problem is, obviously, this is Dollar Tree material, so the glass, as soon as I start to try to scratch it to clean it, the color is just coming right off. So that was a negative, and it's just all around not the best. But again, this is my favorite side, so I'm gonna let this be the front. And then I have this thing. It's funny that I even had this. I was wondering, okay, what am I gonna put in here, right? So I found this thing, and this got broken. The original little thing that this was in was broken, and I was gonna make something for it to go into, and I just had it sitting around, and I'm like, well, let's try that. And when I went to go put it in here, it almost fits so perfectly that it was meant for this. So I kind of look at it like a win, because now this has a home. I'll push that down in there, and it kind of looks all right in there. It kind of looks cute, actually, as best as it could possibly look. All right, well, I'm gonna just set this up somewhere, and that's gonna be it.